Nature Kenya is a membership-based society established in 1909 with the aim to promote the study and conservation of nature in Eastern Africa. Nature Kenya mission is to connect nature and people. Nature Kenya conservation work is guided by science and by using birds to identify places that are important for conservation. One is assured of capturing every place on earth that is able to be conserved, and that is why data on birds is infallible in setting priorities, hence important bird areas.
Since the early 20th century, Kenya's natural environment has been under tremendous pressure. Thousands of hectares of pristine forests, wetlands and grasslands have vanished beyond measure.
In Africa, conservation was not an issue until the 20th century. There were fewer people and more resources. People say trees will always grow, but then those trees are not growing at the same rate as the rate we are cutting them down. So now with our ever-growing population, we have to educate the people the need to do things differently.
So if we are not going to conserve and manage the natural resources, including our wildlife, including our flora, the fauna, then we don't have the future for ourselves. And the sooner we can be able to understand the truth about this, far better.